Hey everyone, welcome back to Treehouse Garden. It's Kimberly here. I'm in La Fortuna and we stopped here for lunch at a farm. It's a sustainable farm. It is a man who used to teach elementary school for years and he got tired of being in the classroom, so he decided to create this beautiful farm where students come and they learn how to garden and to preserve food and how to cook it. So let's check it out. So it looks like they grow things kind of traditionally like we do. So some kale and onions and purple basil. Some other kind of basil here that I'm not really familiar with. Oh, it's kind of lemony. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous, and all the rows are just lawn. Beautiful flowers. Wow, this is a really cool tree. Check it out. Amazing. So pretty. I love this concept of a guy who was a elementary school teacher for years. I just met him. He's super nice. And he said that he wanted to bring the learning out into the garden. So he's created this beautiful garden, and the students come on field trips and they work the farm and work the land and learn how to grow a garden in their own homes. Got some beautiful tomatoes here. Growing them up the string system with some bamboo posts. Gorgeous. Oh, we got some squash. Ooh, check it out. Cucumbers. That's a big one too. Beautiful. And it looks like he grows them up the bamboo posts and just strings them up as they go. Oh, how cute. All kinds of birds in the garden. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a nice big cucumber in there. Using a lot of the similar systems that we do in the United States. Here's one of his little classroom areas where the students come to learn. It's a little loud here. They are building parts more of the learning centers. Just gorgeous. I think these are all cucumbers. Oh, check this out. Oh wow. Super cool. No idea what it is. I bet some of you do. Alright, let's keep going. I love how they incorporate like hedges of flowers in the garden. Absolutely beautiful. There's a lot of hummingbirds and bees. Wow, just so pretty. Doesn't get prettier than this, I'm telling you guys. Definitely could take a nap on that hammock. Lots and lots of birds. Lots of hilling going on over here. I'm thinking, oh, these are squash. Definitely squash. They've got the big trenches to water. Well, they don't really need to water. They do have a watering system, but it rains so much in Costa Rica, it's not a problem. Oh, look at all the birds. Ooh, check this out. Oh, you missed it. Little kitty cat. These look like pineapple. Wow, check those out. No clue what that is. So many things to learn. Look, and it's like literally like growing like right on the tree, like not root, the actual base of the tree. Wow, that's wild. More tomatoes. Just gorgeous, gorgeous flowers. A bunch of banana. Let's see if we can see any bananas. Oh yeah. It's just fields and fields of bananas. Wow, amazing. That's a wildflower coming out of there. Ooh, check these out. I wonder what these are. Oh, it's crazy. Oh, hello, birdie. Oh, wow. Some kind of a fruit. Gorgeous, gorgeous pond area. Over there is the cafeteria where they have a fresh buffet of whatever they have made from the garden that day. Always have some chocolate, some cacao, some red cacao,